Welcome back to the Easy English Podcast.
We're so excited to help you learn English.
Do you know why millions of people give flowers on March 8th?
And why this day is so important for women around the world?
Today, we're talking about March 8th, International Women's Day.
A day to celebrate women, say thank you, and show appreciation.
And if you're learning English, this is also a great chance to learn useful words about respect, gratitude, and equality.
So stay with us, practice your English, and let's talk about this special day together.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lucy.
And I'm James. Good to see you, Lucy.
You too, James. Today, we're talking about a very special day in March.
Oh, really? What day is that?
It's March 8th, also known as International Women's Day.
Ah, yes. That's an important day. It's a day to celebrate women all around the world.
Exactly. On this day, people show appreciation and respect for women.
Women like mothers, sisters, teachers, and friends, right?
Yes, and also co-workers, leaders, and many inspiring women everywhere.
Inspiring is a great word. It means someone makes you feel motivated and hopeful.
That's right. Many women inspire others with their strength and kindness.
I can think of many inspiring women in my life.
Me too. For example, my mother is very inspiring. She works hard every day and always supports our family.
That's wonderful. Mothers do so much for their families, and sometimes we forget to say thank you.
Exactly. That's why International Women's Day is a great moment to show appreciation.
So, Lucy, what do people usually do on March 8th?
In many countries, people give flowers, small gifts, or kind messages to women.
Flowers are very popular, especially roses and tulips.
Yes, flowers are a simple way to say thank you or I appreciate you.
I like that. Sometimes small gestures mean a lot.
That's very true. Some people also write cards or send messages.
For example, Happy Women's Day.
Or thank you for everything you do.
That's a beautiful message.
Some workplaces also celebrate this day.
Really? What do they do?
Sometimes companies organize small events, give flowers to female employees, or simply say thank you.
That sounds nice. It helps create a positive and respectful environment at work.
Yes, and it reminds everyone to respect and support each other.
International Women's Day is also about equality.
Equality means everyone should have the same rights and opportunities.
Exactly. Women and men should have equal chances in education, work, and life.
That's an important idea to remember.
Yes, March 8th is not only about gifts and flowers.
It's also about respect and appreciation. And gratitude, too. Gratitude means feeling thankful for someone.
For example, I feel grateful for the women in my life.
That's a nice sentence to say today.
Lucy, do people celebrate this day differently in different countries?
Yes, they do. In some countries, it is a very big celebration.
What do you mean by that?
For example, people may organize events, speeches, or community activities to honor women.
That sounds meaningful.
Yes, it's not only about celebration, but also about recognizing the achievements of women in society.
Achievements means the things people accomplish or succeed in doing.
Exactly. Many women have made great contributions in science, education, business, and many other fields.
That's true. Women play an important role in every part of society.
And International Women's Day reminds us to respect and support that role.
Lucy, what would you say to the women in your life on this day?
I would say thank you for your love, your strength, and your support.
That's beautiful.
James, what would you say?
I would say, thank you for your kindness and for making the world a better place.
That's a wonderful message.
And to our listeners, today is a great day to say thank you to an important woman in your life.
You can send a message, give flowers, or simply say kind words.
Sometimes simple words can make someone very happy.
Absolutely.
Before we finish, let's review some useful words we talked about today.
Celebrate, to honor a special day.
Appreciation, showing that you are thankful for someone.
Inspiring, making people feel motivated or hopeful.
Equality, having the same rights and opportunities.
Gratitude, the feeling of being thankful.
Achievement, something important that someone has accomplished.
These are great words to use when talking about International Women's Day.
And now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
How do people celebrate March 8th in your country?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in English. It's great practice.
For example, you can write, "In my country, people give flowers to women."
Or, we celebrate with our family and friends.
Writing in English helps you improve step by step.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
Share this with a friend who is learning English.
Happy International Women's Day to all the amazing women listening today.
Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.